Even though the whole cryptocurrency market is in a state of turmoil, the price of the blockchain-based gaming platform, UFO Gaming, or UFO, has dramatically climbed over the course of the previous few months. UFO is in strong rivalry with other well-known gaming tokens such as ApeCoin, or APE, Decentraland, Mana, and the Sandbox, SAND, all of which have had price increases in recent times. Will UFO Gaming fall into the circumstances of the market at some point in the future, or will it continue to develop and maintain its bullish momentum? And what exactly is the UFO coin? Players have the opportunity to complete metaverse goals and win in-game rewards through the use of this gaming platform, which is powered by blockchain technology. In a user-owned internet economy, players can purchase and sell in-game assets, such as non-fungible tokens or NFTs, with the assistance of the play-to-earn P2E game that the platform offers. UFO plans to realize its vision of creating an ecosystem that would be run fully by the community following its white paper. UFO is committed to ensuring that the community's perspective is considered in all significant decisions. Consequently, holders of UFO tokens are granted voting rights through a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, governance mechanism. Two other tokens, in addition to UFO, are used to regulate various aspects of the UFO gaming ecosystem. The second group is comprised of something called plasma points. Users can accumulate plasma points through the use of the decentralized staking program known as the Cosmos. Plasma points are required to acquire non-faction, transferable items and other game assets. It has been decided that plasma points will not be available for trade on Uniswap or any other decentralized exchange, or DEX. The third token is the one for the UAP. UAP is required to combine and breed in-game characters successfully. The primary game in the UFO ecosystem, Super Galactic, offers players the opportunity to earn this item by completing daily tasks and objectives. The platform also provides its dark metaverse, Metaverse, which is a gamified world of virtual space and cosmic gaming. Additionally, the site provides an open market in which ERC 721 assets may be traded. Every new game that is uploaded to the dark metaverse will concentrate on a distinct region of cyberspace as its primary setting. A lottery is used to determine the location in space and time where a project will reside for those projects that are in the deployment queue. The owners of these locations will each own a percentage of the project that is proportional to their property size and the DAO voting rights it confers. UFO Gaming, being a freshly minted currency, has quickly become one of the most well-known blockchain gaming platforms since its inception in 2021. This occurred shortly after the token was initially distributed. According to the data from CoinMarketCap, with the oldest prices, the price of the UFO token skyrocketed from 6.6 millionths of a cent on July 1, 2021 to 6.76 ten-thousandths of a cent on August 28th, a phenomenal increase of more than 924% in less than 2 months. On September 21st, the price was reduced to 2.127 hundred-thousandths of a cent. After reaching a low point, the market sentiment toward the UFO token became exceedingly bullish, which resulted in the price of the token shooting up to an all-time high of 5.592 thousandths on November 25th, surpassing its previous high of 2.273 ten-thousandths on September 22nd. The sentiment on the cryptocurrency market was bullish at this period, and some of the most widely used cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, reached all-time highs. After hitting its high point in November, the value of the UFO token began to decline and the impetus behind it. It reached a low point of 2.04 thousandths of a cent on December 14th and falling by more than 64% from its high point in November. At the end of the year, it came to 2.392 thousandths of a cent. The year 2022 was not kind to most cryptocurrencies, and the UFO token was no exception. Most cryptocurrencies saw significant losses. It reached a low of 8.012 ten-thousandths of a cent on January 22nd and a bottom of 1.941 ten-thousandths on May 12th. It continued to decrease throughout the month of May. The market circumstances were extremely bearish during May and June 2022, and prices reached all-time lows, which raised fears about the possibility of a new cryptocurrency catastrophe. On June 18th, the price of a UFO token reached its lowest point, which was 7.891 one-hundred-thousandths of a cent. Since then, the token's price has begun to climb once more, and on August 14th, it reached a 90-day high of 6.373 ten-thousandths. At the time of making this video, the price of one UFO token was 2.64 ten-thousandths. It had a market value of $67.376 million. Recent events of great importance pertaining to UFOs may have an effect on their price in the future. A relationship between UFO and NEO, a blockchain network that is open source and user-driven, was established in August of 2022. As a direct result of this agreement, UFO Gaming has been approved to participate in the EcoBoost program that will be run by Neo Global Development, or NGD, in 2022 as the third platform. EcoBoost is a program that NGD developed to establish a network of partners that can assist with Neo-based projects throughout the project lifecycle. NGD has allotted a total of $200 million for this undertaking. UFO has secured funding to release its third game on Neo and intends to spend resources on the project. When looking for UFO price predictions, it is important to remember that the estimates provided by analysts and those based on algorithms may not be accurate. They are based on the historical behavior of prices and a market study. The performance of the past does not allow for accurate projections of the future. You are required to conduct your research before engaging in trading. Remember that whether or not you decide to trade will depend on how well you understand the market, how diversified your portfolio is, and how well you can handle the possibility of losing money. That's all from this video. What do you think of this UFO token? Is it something you would invest in? See you in the next one.